How to sign in into JIRA Service Desk employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to sign in into JIRA Service Desk employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in JIRA Service Desk employee account and press enter. Click on the first link that appears in the search result. On the home page at the right side of the screen, click on the sign in button. You will be taken towards the login page. Enter your work email address in the email field and click on continue. Next, type in your password. Make sure to enter it correctly to avoid any mistake. Then click on continue. After clicking continue, you might be prompted to complete two-factor authentication if your company has enabled it. Follow the on-screen instruction to verify your identity. You should now be signed in into your JIRA Service Desk employee account. If you experience any issue, click on the forgot password link to reset your password. And that's it. You are now signed in and ready to go. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.